What's up everyone, this is Kale, and this is my take on the Adidas Lego sports shoe collab for kids. Going on to the box first, the design resembles a Lego block. It comes in yellow, perhaps the most common color of a Lego piece. There's also a tag here that says Prime Green, meaning most of the materials used here are recycled. Inside the box, and you'll see the actual shoe. As you can see, there are no laces. Instead, it has a hook and loop Velcro straps because this one's made for a toddler. Then there's an Adidas logo on the tongue with the Lego's logo beside it. The upper of the shoe is textile. There's that Lego design on the heel tab and may also serve as a heel counter. The Lego studs are a little bit exaggerated to showcase the design. The collar of the shoe is padded and it should be enough. The midsole is just an EVA, not bounce, not boost, and definitely not light strike. Though, judging it from the exposed midsole, it's soft, and it has some compression in it. Finally, the outsole. The pattern is like a rectangular Lego pieces that are placed next to each other with that protruding studs that ensures grip. And actually, traction is great for a kid's shoe. There's that big Lego piece in the middle that maybe provides torsional support. Fits very well because most kids love to play and run around. Sizing fits true to size, but to be sure, just measure the foot length and refer to the Adidas sizing guide. Overall, this is a great shoe. My kid loves it. The color might be a little too basic and primary, but it does well to make it look a shoe built by Legos, though other colors may be available. By the way, there's also an Ultra Boost Lego available for adults. If you are looking for your kid's next shoe, consider checking on this one, and I guarantee that you and your kid will love it. That's the end of the review. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below your thoughts about the shoe. And please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you on the next one.